In this video, we'll discuss the Spark hypothesis function using UnifyML SQL. We will execute the Spark hypothesis function using a UnifyML query. Now let's explore how to use the Spark hypothesis function with UnifyML SQL. The Spark hypothesis algorithm tests statements or predictions about relationships between variables or outcomes. Define your input table and specify the required input columns and target column. The target column represents the dependent variable in the hypothesis test. Apply data cleaning methods to pre-process the dataset. Using the remove row method removes rows containing null values. There are additional parameters available in the UnifyML documentation. If you need to modify column data types, specify the input data types parameter. Define the number of partitions and the column on which partitioning should be performed. There are 4 methods for data cleaning: remove row, remove duplicates, remove outliers, and fill, replace missing values with specific values. There are 4 methods for data scaling: min-max scaler, requires min and max values; standard scaler, normalizer, and binarizer. If the data is already saved in the cache, use the input cache ID instead of specifying an input table. Configure chunk sizes for data processing. Execute the hypothesis function using UnifyML. The query will run in the backend of the UnifyML server. The output of the Spark hypothesis function includes p-values, degrees of freedom, and statistical values for each column. For example, age, BMI, smoker, and region will have their corresponding p-values, degrees of freedom, and statistics. This function allows you to analyze relationships between different variables and outcomes. Thank you for watching this video.